Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to install R. So Google Chrome browser is open. You can use any browser. Just search for R in the search bar. Maybe you can search in Google or any other search engine. Normally you will get this website on the first page of the search results, that is rproject.org. So if you click here and go inside this website, you will see that there are options, there are so many information, and also we have links to download. Actually, the convenient way is to use this link, download R. So I'm clicking here, and you can see that there are a lot of options which mirror you will choose for downloading. You can choose any one. Okay, so let me just choose the nearby one, maybe in Singapore. Okay, it is not here. Okay, we can choose one from USA. There is no problem. You can choose anyone. If one doesn't work, you can choose another one. So now you have three options here: R for Linux, for Mac OS, for Windows. Because my computer is a Mac, so I will choose this one. If your one is Windows, you choose this one. Okay. So after that, you have got R for Mac OS. Okay, because Mac, sometimes some older version of Macs use Intel and newer versions use M1, 2, 3, 4, all this thing. So because my computer is using Apple Silicon, so I choose this one. Click this one and it will be downloaded. So let me look at the download folder. Let me give some time, allow it to download, complete the download. Well, the download is almost complete. So after it is complete, we will go to the download folder and see that it is already downloaded. Now double click this one and the installation begins. It is a standard way of installation. Continue and just follow the steps. Continue. Okay, agree the license and then install. So you may need to provide the password and all this thing depending on your security level of your computer. Installing a software is very easy and almost every one of us know it, but still I am demonstrating it. Okay, it is done. Close. Move to trash. Okay, this is how you can install. Now if you go to the app and search for R, or maybe just find it from the program list, application list. So you can see R is here. If you click, R will be open. You can see this is the R console. Thank you very much. See you again.